Putting Afterpay on your website is a pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can add Afterpay to your website. The process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to have an Afterpay for Retailers account. So, how can you get that? First, open the browser of your choice. You just have to search for Afterpay for Retailers. After searching, go to the website that say Get New Customers with Afterpay, and the link will be afterpay.com. This is what the page looks like. Now here, you have to click on the Get Started button. After clicking that, it will ask you to log into your Afterpay business account. As you can see, it says Get Afterpay for your business. After signing up and creating your account, you'll be able to access the APIs or links that allow you to add Afterpay as a payment method on your custom website. So just create an Afterpay for Retailers account and you'll be able to set it up on your website or any business platform you're using. That's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.